Hi, my name is Andrei Kavenko at New Training. So here we are at a new location at Xiaolan Health Centre. We're just opening it now, and really excited to start offering our high-end strength for health services for the patients of this clinic and perhaps in the people in the neighborhood.
Thank you so much. We are very excited about your training. Could you please tell us how we can connect with patients to help them recover fast?
Yeah, so what's really unique about our approach, we don't just use simple body weight or free weight or elastic bands. We utilize the most advanced technology for both rehabilitation and a safe and effective strength training. For the purpose of improving one's general health, but also particularly addressing specific aches and pains, muscle joint aches and pains, such as could be the lumbar lower back area, like what this machine would do, and some other like knees and so on and so forth. So we are kind of at the leading front of health-focused strength training.
Thank you so much. So combination with the acupuncture with the machine that will help the patient recover much faster.
Yeah, I think so. So basically, this is probably the best lower back medicine you can find. They've done dozens of studies on this machine alone. It's called Medix lumbar extension machine, and the science shows that if you have any sort of persistent lower back pain or discomfort, there's about 80% success rate, meaning that there's 80% chance after you go through this program that you would get good to excellent results. So the pain will decrease and your range of motion will improve as well. The way it works, it basically locks your pelvic girdle in such a way that when you work this machine, you only isolate a very small muscle called multifidus. They connect our vertebra to vertebra. So what that means, outside of the stimulus for making your muscles stronger, connective tissues, bone as well, we also bring in blood and nutrients and energy into your lumbar joint. So speaking of acupuncture, which has to do with how the energy flows into your body, this exercise will help us to channel that energy in our lumbar region and open some of those spinal channels for the energy to move in your body as well.
Thank you so much. That's so exciting.
All right. Yeah. So if you have any sort of lower back pain discomfort, you must use this machine because it's just the most amazing medicine for the back you can find. So moving on, this is a medical knee extension machine. So again, if you have sensitive or weakened knees, this machine we can quite literally target and work you targeted, so you can only work even 2 degrees, like few degrees of range of motion. It works your legs both at the same time, we laterally one leg at a time. It's also computerized, so we can do base strength assessment for your legs separately on both legs, and develop your safe and effective medical quality strengthening of your knees or muscles around your knees on this machine. So probably there's only 2 of these machines in Canada, so very excited to have to offer this tool here in this clinic. Moving on, this is our cervical, it's called 4-way neck machine. We have this neck tension because we call computer neck, we're spending so much time on the computer, so on the phones. So this machine will work on the extension, your target will strengthen your muscles here, but it also will strengthen your deep flexors muscles, doing this motion as well. That will help you, for example, people that snore. One of the reasons is those deep neck muscles, they get weak, so it will help people perhaps with snoring as well. And also you train your neck muscles laterally too, so all those movements will help you to alleviate the neck tension in your day-to-day life. Moving on, this is our very, very unique machine. What this machine does, it targets our pelvic floor muscles. And why it matters? It matters for example, for women, when women have weak bladder, and some other issues related with the weakness of the pelvic floor muscles, like drop urethra, for example. By strengthening those deep pelvic floor muscles, this machine will help to address and solve those issues as well. The way it kind of works, there's a sensor here, and we would adjust that sensor according, to make sure that it feels proper as you sit on the chair. And it's a computerized, And the computer, basically the software will guide you when to engage those muscles, when to relax those muscles, and you have immediate feedback and also long-term progress. So when you're getting stronger there, you're going to see on the software as well. For guys, for men, this machine will strengthen your prostate. You know, prostate tends to get weaker as we get older, but also it's related to sexual performance. When they have weak prostate, means our sensation of orgasm inhibited. Erection is not as strong and so on. So for guys who are like 40, 50 plus, it's an amazing machine to strengthen those muscles, strengthen the prostate, and quite profoundly improve the sexual performance and experiences as well. So this is our line of our kind of therapy machines here. The lumbar extension machine, the medical knee machine, the four-way neck that works your spine in the cervical area, and this pelvic floor machine that works the pelvic floor muscles, as well as your kind of the lower spine around your coccyx area as well. Then we're moving on to the exercise machines.
Yes.
When we exercise, we contract muscle under some somewhat intensive contraction. It's more than just for the appearance. It's more than just for the looks. We also now know that when we contract the muscle produce a little hormone-like chemical messengers called myokines. And those myokines, they have receptors all around our organs. So essentially, they upregulate the function of our organs. So when we're doing proper and effective form of exercise, again, the benefits that's happening inside your body, in my opinion, even outweigh what's happening on the outside. So the mental function improves, our organs would function better, our chronic inflammation will go down, and so on and so forth. So that's why we also offer here the kind of line of exercise machines for all the metabolic strengthening. So you're going to get stronger, you're going to feel less aches and pains, and perhaps be healthier and even live longer as well. There's so much science today to show that proper form of exercise, strength training, tend to make our muscle cells younger on genetic level. So quickly going through these machines. This is up core isolator targeting abdominals. This is a pulling down machine. It has multiple adjustments, different grips to work your muscles of your back and some biceps as well. The leg press machine, working all the muscles, your hips down, your glutes, your hamstrings, your quadriceps muscles. And the chest press machine, so pushing forward movement, will work your muscles of front of your body, the anterior muscles, kind of your chest, a little bit from shoulder, back of your arm, triceps. The rowing exercise, also targeting the muscles of the back and arms, and the pushing up exercise for the shoulder and triceps. So we have this, covered all the basic movements in pulling and pushing the horizontal plane, basic movements pulling, pushing vertical plane, legs, core, and all these spinal and knee medical devices as well.
No, I think it's really, really good. Thank you so much to help us to set up that the people have completely, not just treatment, also for recovery, for training after they're better, and they can continue to build their muscle. We talk about the muscle is organ.
Yeah.
If we make sure that everybody after not dependent only acupuncture and massage, but rather that they can do something to build their muscle. Really, really appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome. But I just wanted to sum it up. Why you just brought about why it's really important is we start losing the muscle tissue from age of 25 to 30, and then it accelerates. So we lose about half a pound of muscle from about age of 25, 30, and then this accelerates to about almost a pound a year from age of 50. So that's why proper and effective strength for health, in our opinion, is a must-have activity. Everybody should be doing it. And here at Ilma Training, we simply design the most sustainable in terms of safety and effectiveness and efficiency routine, in our opinion, possible. So everybody, everyday person, not just athletic people, will have access to strengthening the muscles, getting rid of aches and pains, and be able to enjoy quality life for many years to come. So, in our opinion, that's our product, and we believe in it. So.
Thank you so much.
Okay, you're welcome.
Appreciate it.